Welcome to Fast Food Healthy. You are a student or you just work for the whole day and you really don't have time to cook? You think that organic products are not accessible, but you spend money on chips and on sandwiches. You are bored of always eating eggs and pasta. It's all in the past. I'll tell you how to make a quick, delicious, and healthy breakfast in 8 minutes. And of course, if you have any other interesting ideas, suggestions, or remarks, write in the comments. And visit the channel for more interesting videos. So, to make an oatmeal, you'll need oat flakes, or you can buy 5 cereal flakes as often sold in the stores, water and salt. After you prepare this, you may garnish it as you wish. In this video I used an apple, a pear, some cinnamon, chestnut honey, and walnuts. This is the approximate quantity of flakes that you'll need for one portion. So to prepare an oatmeal, you just put oat flakes in boiling water and you cook them on low heat. Then you add salt and you get the oatmeal that you can garnish. If you want a thick porridge, you add less water, and if you want it more watery, you add a little more water. Of course, if you have very little time, you might consider accelerating the process by using a kettle. So here we are. You might consider covering the oatmeal to preserve vitamins, but it's not essential. We'll not waste the 7 minutes of cooking time and we'll use it to cut our fruits. Now that our oatmeal is ready, we can add some salt. Just don't add too much, otherwise it will be too salty. Now we put the fruits into the porridge. A teaspoon of chestnut honey. Just so it doesn't drop. Of course, some cinnamon. This will be enough. And then we mix all this. So our quick and delicious oatmeal is almost ready. So now we can enjoy our breakfast, for example, with some green tea. So, have a nice meal. In the next video, I'll present millet and how to make a simple millet porridge, another healthy and perfect option for breakfast. Don't forget to write any idea or remark in the comments, to tell the recipe to your friend, put like and subscribe for new videos. In this case, I'll show you a hand spinner. You did it? Are you sure? Okay, I believe you. Here it is. Yeah.